Tonight, the South facing a disaster nightmare.
Watch it coming! Yep, I see it.
More than 50 reported tornadoes since Sunday.
All I heard was like a loud roaring sound and a lot of cracking sound.
In Louisiana, Willie Grayson's family was watching an Easter service on TV.
Dinner table was here
When the tornado struck.
I'm getting the kids, telling them to get under the bed. I'm yelling for my wife. She's screaming, the roof coming off. She runs, trying to run to me, and then the whole roof flew up.
This home ripped right off its own foundation, stopping drivers in their tracks after being tossed into the road. NBC's Blaine Alexander is in Georgia.
And all of a sudden I heard that train noise. I was getting in the closet. Front end of the trailer was coming up.
With you inside?
With us both inside.
Got a funnel cloud right here in front of me.
In Mississippi, a tornado so powerful, radar captured debris thrown up to 60 miles away.
The damage these storms leave behind forces an incredibly tough call. How to enforce stay-at-home orders for a virus when hundreds have no house to go home to.
We would typically go to a school gymnasium or something like that we'd set up a shelter. So we're trying to get people into hotel rooms.
In Alabama, those stay-at-home orders suspended. Images inside storm shelters capturing people doing whatever they can to social distance.
And tonight, this storm system that caused so much damage here has now taken a turn and is heading north up the eastern seaboard, where it could cause even more problems.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.